Good morning, student. I am going to teach you revision. Look and say. There are some words. I am repeat for you this words. Yesterday, I taught some words from this revision part of revision, and now we repeat this word with picture. You listen carefully and look at the picture. So, first of all, bat, it's a name of thing. It's a name of thing. Boy, boy, it's name of animal. Boy. Then banana, 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 it's a fruit. It is fruit. Then calf, calf, it is a thing. Cat, cat, animal, name of animal. Cat is name of animal. Clock, clock, clock is one of thing which showing time. Carrot, carrot, it's a vegetable. Pan is thing. Pot is also thing. Potato is one of the vegetable. Tomato, one of the vegetable. Top is playing game. Ball, it is also one of things which used for playing. Cock, it is bird's name. Pound, it's a natural lake, and tiger is animal. Table, thing. Parrot, also bird. Bag, one of the thing. Then bag, bag, parrot. Table, table. Tiger, tiger. Pound, cock, ball. top, tomato. Potato. Pot, pot. Pan, carrot. Clock, cat, calf, banana, boy, bat. These are the some things and animals. There are some birds, name of birds in this chart. Look at the chart. I am reading these words. You listen carefully and repeat with me. Bag, bat, boy, boy, bana, banana, cap, cat, cock, clock, carrot, carrot, pan, parrot, pot, potato, table, then tank, tomato, top, top, ball, clock, cock, pound, and tiger. These are some words which are in this table. Then I will ask some question to you, and you find this word or this name of animal, name of things which in this chart you find in this chart. Then see, listen carefully. First question, find and name the following from the chart. Find and name the following from the chart. Two animal. Find out it. Two animal. Then I will see two animal. First of all, cat, and second is tiger. Cat and tiger. Then two animal name, cat and tiger. CAT, cat and tiger. Two animal, cat and tiger. So two animal name, cat and tiger. Where is tiger? TIGER, tiger. And cat. Where is cat? CAT, cat. This is the animal name, two animal name. Three things you play with. Which are playing things? Then first of all, ball, then bat, and also top. Bat. First of all, bat, BAT, bat. It's a playing things. Playing things. Three playing things you play with. You play with this bat. Now, second, you play with top. Yes or no? Yes. You play with top. And you play with ball. Ball, bat and top. These are the playing things. So you can write the name, the three things you play with, then top. Listen carefully. Where is top? It's top, 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 BALL, ball, and lastly bat. Where is bat? BAT, bat. Second number, bat. These are the playing things. Three things. 1, 2, 3. Three things you play with. Top, ball, bat. Top, ball, bat. Like that. Then two birds. There are two birds. Which are? Then listen carefully. Which are birds? I will show the picture of birds. Which are the cock and parrot. Cock and parrot. COCK, cock, and second is parrot. There are two birds in the chart. Two birds. The name of birds two. First of all, parrot. First of all, parrot. And second is cock. COCK, cock, and it's a parrot. There are two things. I will find COCK, cock and parrot. These are the birds. Four things you eat. We eat. Four things we eat. Then four things we eat. Banana. It's first. We eat a banana. Then carrot. We also eat carrot. Then we also eat potato and tomato. Tomato, potato, carrot and banana. These are the things we eat. Four things we eat. Four things we eat. This question and answer is that potato, carrot, banana and tomato. Potato, tomato, potato, carrot, and banana. These things we eat. Like that. Then, third question, listen carefully. And how many 5-letter words do you see here? Name them. How many 5-letter word? There is, first of all, this line table is 5-letter word. Table is 5-letter word. Then second column, there is no word of 5-letter because parrot is 6-letter, tank is 4-letter, cat is 3-letter word, bat is 3-letter word, and cock is 4-letter word. Then third column, boy is 3-letter, but clock, CLOCK, it's a 5-letter word. Then tomato, it's 6-letter word, and pound is 4-letter word. Then banana is 6-letter word, carrot is also 6-letter word, potato also 6-letter word, tiger is 5-letter word. There are three words which having 5 letters. Then how many 5-letter words do you see here? Name them. Then table, tiger, and which? CLOCK. These are the 5-letter word. How many 5-letter words do you see here? I see here 5-letter word 5, 3. These are table, TABLE, it's 5-letter, CLOCK, it's also 5-letter, and tiger, TIGER, tiger is also 5-letter. Then there are 3 letters having 5 letters. 3 words having 5 letters. Okay. Then fourth number. How many 6-letter words do you see here? Name them. Then 5-letter, now 6-letter. There in the first column there is no anyone having 6-letter. Like bag, BAG, it's a 3-letter. Cap, it's also 3-letter. Pan, it's also 3-letter. Table, it's also 5-letter. And ball, it's 4-letter. Bat, cat, it's having 3 letters. But parrot, parrot, there is no any in this column having 6-letter. Then tomato also 2, banana 3, carrot 4, and potato 5. There are 5 words which have 6-letter words. Which are the 6-letter words? The name of 6-letter words, first of all, parrot, PARROT, second tomato, TOMATO, tomato. Then banana, BANANA, banana. Carrot, CARROT, carrot. And last of potato, POTATO. There are 5 letters which having 6-letter, 5 words which having 6 letters in this spelling. Like that, I will complete the revision. Look and say. Next chapter I will teach to you, and in next video. Thank you. Stay at home